Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. Today current affairs 2023 Jishishan earthquake on 18 December 2023 at 23.59 CST on earthquake with magnitude of MS 6.2 or MWW 5.9 struck Jishishan country in Gansu province, China. Shallow thrust faulting earthquake struck densely populated area with a border between Gansu and Qinghai provinces. At least 111 people were killed and 236 injured in both provinces. 2023 Sichuan earthquake located UTC time 18/12/2023 15.59.30 USGS ANSS Comcat local date 18 December 2023 local time 23.59 magnitude 6.2 ms 5.9 MWW depth 10 km 6 MIA epicenter 35.743 north 102.827 east area affected Gansu into China max intensity 8 severe casualty 111 dead 236 injured tectonic setting. Tibetan plateau is geological activity and earthquake are common throughout the region. Within the 250 km of the earthquake specific center, 23 greater than or equal M5.5 earthquake have occurred. 19,000 largest these of was MW 7.7 earthquake in 1927 to north killed 40,000 people. Earthquake brought the extreme damage in the Gulang Wuwe area and resulted in damaging landslide in the April 1990. MW 6.5 earthquake immediately preceded by MW 6.3 foreshock and allowed the MW 6.3 aftershock led to at least 126 fatality and extensive damage in the landslide. Gansu was also affected by another earthquake in 1920 that killed 2 lakh people after regarded the as among the deadliest of earthquake in 20th century. Earthquake related losses in China are common even for moderate magnitude earthquakes owing to the superiority of large population centers to shocking prevalence of structure that vulnerable earthquake shaking and occurrence of landslide in steep topography. Earthquake China earthquake administration recorded earthquake at 6.2 surface wave magnitude scale. The Interstate Geological Survey site measured MWW 5.9 and struck at a depth of 10 km 6.2 mi. Epicenter was estimated to be in Luigo Township. The earthquake occurred as the result of river faulting the shallow depth rupture there along with the north striking steeply in the rivers of fault or southeast of the striking shallowing dipping the reverse fault. The region where earthquake occurred, the interplate region located in the northern marine of Tibetan Plateau. Tibetan Plateau high topographic region north Himalaya mountain that developed a response to ongoing collision between the India and Eurasia plates. According to Professor of China University Zhou Xin, Shushuwei earthquake was associated with the fault along with the northern edge of the Laju mountain range impact. At least 111 deaths and 236 injured were recorded. 100 people were killed and 96 others were injured in Gansu. 11 deaths and 140 injuries were reported neighboring Qinghai province. 9 fatalities and 124 injuries from Qinghai occurred in the Haidan in Jishishan country. Many houses collapsed to restrictions were dropped. 3 villages near Degajia down. Communication, transport, electrical and water service were knocked out in some villages. Several sections of Shinshu Degajia highways were blocked by rock fall. Chunga Henry Combs. Several villages were damaged including Shinche Township, Dagu Township and Jishi Town main country. Guantington, Junsang Town were among the places with casualties several damages. Lanchua several people were forced to from their dwellings. China Central Television reported many buildings collapsed while people fled into the street. Response General Secretary of Chinese Communist Party Xi Jinping said all efforts should be made to carry out search and rescue trade. Xi Jinping did the injury in a timely manner minus the casualty. Ministry of Emergency Management in Beijing issued a level 4 emergency response. Rescue workers from local emergency management and fire department were nearly 2,200 provincial fire department, forest brigade and a professional emergency rescue team member and were activated. Member of the military and police were also involved in the Gansu fire brigade deployed in 1,440 personnel and 88 fire trucks and 12 research and rescue dog and 10,000 rescue equipment to assist the local emergency personnel, and the Chinese government also deployed team of rescue worker area. Shelter, folding beds and blanket were distributed. Social media footage showed rescue personnel campaigning and through the rubble and unfolding stretches. The casualty emergency service set up at 10 days. Temperature of area fell to below freezing temperature. Region of reportedly fell to below minus 30 degrees C. Around the same time, the snowy condition also being reported. Passenger and cargo rail service affected area were stopped facility to safety inspection. Hu Changshang, Chinese Communist Party Committee Secretary Gansu and Governor Ran Sangi subsequently visited affected area and Dagachi. More than 140 local hospital workers attended to the injured cracker developed within the walls. Promotion makes shift bed to laid along the roadside. Earthquake. More than 100 people have been killed after the earthquake in northwestern China. While many people were asleep, China death toll 111. Shallow 6.2 magnitude quake struck during the night near to border Gansu and the province, sending to people rushing out on the street. Rescue researching through the rubble for surveyor following earthquake. Gansu there, red uniform and working with the torches and darkness. Rescuer search and survivor of village following earthquake in Gansu. Earthquake measured 6.2 according to state news agency of the struck during the night in Gansu province near the border with causing the significant damage, and state media reportedly on Tuesday. Residents rushed out onto street, building collapsed. Dozens of people were and dozens of people were injured. State broadcaster CCTV City provincial earthquake relief headquarters in the more than 100 killed on the earthquake in northwest China. At least 111 people have died and more than 200 others were injured after an earthquake northwest China. Provincial authority told a press conference at 7:05 a.m. 23:50 GMT on Monday. 105 people have been confirmed dead and 397 injured. More than 4,700 houses had been damaged. They added power to water supply were distributed to some villages. Rescue worker was under the way with the Chinese president of Xi Jinping calling all-out effort of the search and relief work. US Geological Survey reported quake was magnitude 5.9, while European Meteorology and Seismology Center EMSC said magnitude 6.1. Earthquake struck around 23 miles west-northeast of shallow depth just over 6 miles according to the USGS provincial capital of about 60 miles away from the epicenter. 7.9 magnitude quake in 2008 left more than 87,000 people dead or missing, including 5,335 children who were in school at the time to happen. At least 242,000 people were killed. September 2022, 6.6 magnitude quake hit province, leaving almost 100 dead. Gansu has population about 26 million people and including part of Gobi